Hi Gemini, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Gemini, these are collective readings, general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? And leave the rest. Knight of Swords, rushing in to say something, Gemini, or somebody's coming your way. Bring in some quick news, communication. Let's see whether this card is going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So as I was saying, Gemini, take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. And a big warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you, thank you. I'm glad you're enjoying these mini weekend love bites. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of readings and now weekends as well for these weekend love bites on popular demand. Yeah, here, look at this. Sorry, I'm sounding a bit distracted because these two cards are kind of calling out to me. Somebody's rushing in with some communication, it seems, moving forward. Let's see where this is going to go, Gemini. Before I open your cards, Gemini, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you as well to see what the angels have for you. So, my angels, what do you have for Gemini? Sorry. Okay. My angels, what do you have for Gemini for the weekend? Retreat. Are you going on a holiday or planning a vacation with someone? Okay, let's take one more. Or are you retreating from someone? Whatever you're planning to do, Gemini, it's going to be a good weekend because you're going to win either way, right? So let's put this here and let's put this here. And now, Gemini, let's start opening your cards. In case you need a private reading, Gemini, I'm available at my email in the description box below. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment, really nice. Judgment, looking for a rebirth. Ace of Wands, very nice, passionate new beginning. Three of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and the Ace of Coins. Wow, thank God. I mean, to see such beautiful cards on a 9-card spread is fabulous. And Gemini, I've only opened 6 yet. So there is a lot of wish fulfillment and happiness here, Gemini. I think somebody is really happy at the space or the partner they're thinking of or are with, and they are feeling a lot of love here, right? They're feeling a lot of love, deep happiness, satisfaction, and now looking to start or restart a passionate new beginning with their partner. Let's see. What's this Judgment card, Spirit? King of Cups, Nine of Cups, King of Cups. Oh my God, Gemini, what's happening here? 10 of Cups. I mean, I've had so many cup cards already. It's like somebody is madly in love, it seems. Gemini. So somebody is thinking of their happily ever after. There is a king here who's feeling all this passion and love, is very happy at the moment and wanting to re-begin something, have a fresh new lease for life in happiness with his partner. Wow. And feeling the passion as well. Look at this, Ace of Wands. Passionate new beginning. I see this could be somebody, Gemini, that you've known in the past, right? This could be you, could be your cross watcher, but I think here's the masculine energy, madly in love now, excited about starting up again with something, because I do have a reunion card here, right? So somebody this person is reuniting with and is very happy to do so. What's this Ace of Wands, Spirit? Right now, they're wanting to bring back balance into whatever the thing was, between the two of you, in case things were not on an equal footing or whatever. But now is very hopeful, feeling like all the angels are now around and helping, things to come back into balance. And I think secretly fantasizing about his feminine as well, dreaming up, fantasizing about a beautiful, harmonious future. So what's the Three of Cups, Spirit? Three of Cups. What is this Three of Cups all about? Okay, Page of Wands, Three of Cups, I think you guys are on two different pages here, Gemini. The masculine is, as you saw, dreaming up of a brand new future. But I think the feminine here is still kind of healing from a heartbreak, right? They are not that excited right now to send in any message or, have work towards this relationship right now. Because maybe there was a third party situation in the past which this feminine is still healing from. Right now she's single. She's single, happy, doing very well on her own, doesn't really need anyone, got her life intact, and I mean everything is going well for her. Yeah, she's kind of not even fighting for this connection anymore. Right? She's not fighting for this connection anymore. She's not working towards this relationship again. Yes, again I have the Three of Cups. So there could have been some heartbreak regarding a third party situation in the past, Gemini. This is the feminine energy. So you would know which side you are, right? Are you the person who is excited about starting something anew and feeling hopeful? Or are you the one who's now hurting from a past heartbreak and now single and not really knowing whether you want to fight for this connection again or not really taking any active action to work towards it? But there is this Ace of Coins, okay, with the Hierophant. What's this Ace of there could be a return. There could be a return here, Gemini. Even this feminine, even though right now she's not fighting for, anything, or she's lost hope in the situation, I think she may come around after some decisions are made. There is a big possibility of this feminine also doing a U-turn and yes, agreeing to a fresh new beginning, a fresh new start, which can be very committed. Beautiful, beautiful. So anything else before I open the next few cards? I'm excited now. Okay, let's take one more. Yeah, right now I don't think this feminine is kind of really brave enough to envision a future, after whatever she's gone through. But I think after these decisions are made, there is a big possibility. Now let's open the cards. Touch wood. Ten of Swords, Five of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Uh-oh. Right now, things seem pretty down and out. There's only, like, the masculine is dreaming this up, I think. This queen has still got her sword up. That's the problem, okay? So this queen has her sword up. This knight is coming with his sword up because this one wants quick, fast action. But the queen is still kind of, the feminine energy is kind of, like I said, she's not really sure. She is still kind of thinking about how somebody played her in the past, how she was made to feel defeated, how one person played mind games or made, belittled her because maybe they went off with somebody else or chose somebody else. So this weekend, I think things are still in planning stage. Okay, there is no real communication regarding this scenario, but I do see the masculine is in a very good space in his mind and his heart. He's, I think, still in his fantasy land to think of how things can be if there is a return, if there is something, there's something that can re-begin here. The feminine here has kind of given up on this masculine. Maybe there is a possibility she would be open to a new beginning if he comes back correct, if he makes the right choice and offers her something which is practical and committed, right? So this weekend, I think the queen still has her sword up. She's not communicating. According to her, things are over and out. Five of Swords, Spirit. Yeah, the masculine, I think, is realizing, has now seen the light of, how these things went down. Right, how things were imbalanced, how one, obviously him, I think played mind games and tried to, it was like he wanted to win at all costs and win everywhere. Maybe he had another person or whatever. So now he's, shedding light to whatever went wrong in the past. So this is going to be a weekend of contemplation, and maybe a lot of dreaming and visualization, and trying to balance things out in his own life. So, uh, yeah, this masculine is now realizing that justice was not done in the situation, and things have to be put right. So I don't think this weekend he's coming in physically. I don't see there's a page of cups in reverse, so I don't see him physically coming towards the feminine to apologize or give a love offer, but trying to balance out his own life. He's now trying to not be like the king of cups or the king of swords, or hide his emotions or be too analytical. This person is now trying to see things from all perspectives and bring some kind of balance into his own life. He knows that to come forward to this feminine, he has to now come correct. Okay, somebody who can provide, who can be nurturing, because he doesn't want to be single, and I don't think he is liking the fact also that the feminine is now single and available. So this weekend I think things are kind of at a standstill. So that's why I think this card was there of retreat. Just take a step back and think about what you guys want. There is a big possibility of victory here, Gemini, but till the masculine doesn't really shed light to on what he's done. Maybe earlier he came across as this, right? The Knight of Swords. He used to come in passionately, do what he wanted to, say what he wanted to, and then dip and leave, right? So this broke the feminine's heart, and she's kind of given up. And she's made it very clear that I'm going to be single till somebody brings in a solid commitment and comes back correct. So this weekend, feminine is not showing any love or affection. According to her, this is out. The masculine here is now understanding where things went wrong and is trying to balance out his life. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Gemini. I hope by next week this masculine makes some kind of an effort and come. This cup of love, which has not maybe come this weekend, is going to be upright, and he's going to come towards you with an apology and some love. Okay? Love and light. Take care. Namaste.